I'm Max. I put a bedsheet on my wall and used a light, and I'm gonna open a PR package. Who has she become? This wine company reached out to me about a month ago, over a month and a half ago, and they were like, hey, like, I want to send you some stuff. Let me know what you think. And I was like, yeah, for sure. Let's open this package. So basically the front says so much yes, and I was like, oh my god, who could that be? This is what it could be. Shall we go through what's inside? Yeah, let's do it. So, what do we have here? It says, I put this on my Instagram story. It says, babe, that's me, babe. Hey, Max, we're so excited to introduce Babe exclusively to BC Babes, and we can't wait for you to try it. What could be better than wine in a can with bubbles? Literally the best holiday gift ever. You're welcome. Cheers, the Babe Canada team. That's pretty cocky. It's a bold letter, but they could be right. Let's see. It says, wine used to be so boring, but then in 2016, Josh Ostrovsky, aka the Fat Jewish, and his team introduced Babe. Isn't he a meme page? Now, for the first time, Babe is coming north. That's where I live. I live in Vancouver, Canada, for those of you who don't know. It says the price range starts at $13.99 and it's 12% ABV, alcoholic beverage volume. And you can find them at select Mission Springs and Liquor Plus locations. Gonna be completely honest with you, I don't know where a single one of those are. Where's the closest one? The closest Mission Springs is 45 minutes away. And what's the other one? Liquor Plus. And the closest one is in Saanich, which is in Victoria, which is a ferry ride away and 2 hours and 55 minutes away from me. So, very exclusive. Let's see what they have. So, they gave me a sticker. It says so much yes. Ooh, influencer stuff. Oh, sorry, broken nail, gross nail. I should do this hand. Ooh. And then they gave me 4 cans of wine. They gave me 2 reds, a rosé, and a grigio. Ta-da! Oh fuck, here we go. Here we go! Okay. Wow. Oh my god, cute! They gave me 4 reusable straws. They're pink and white, and it's, you know, they're not reusable. Fuck. They're paper. They're super not reusable. So, 4 paper straws. Then we have a dad hat. It says Babe. That's cute. Am I a babe? Tips Babe hat. And then we have, oh shit. It's a size small t-shirt. V-neck. It says Babe on it. 300% positive this is not gonna fit on me. But, let's try it. So, I mean, one thing I think PR packages should include, because I'm like an expert at receiving them, is asking what size you are. Because, like, as cute as this is, it's for sure not gonna fit. Oh, here we go. I feel like I could Hulk out of this. Super doesn't fit. Or does it? Is it like a tight moment? You know what? I'm gonna keep it on. Cute. And what else? There's one more thing. It's a tote. It's a bright pink tote, says Babe. And then on this side it says so much yes. I fucking love totes. I'm gonna definitely use this because I love totes. I said that. This is weird. Anyways, so it came with a tote, came with a hat, came with this Babe shirt that totally fits, and it came with 4 wines. So that was my first PR unboxing. I'm gonna give the shirt to my mom probably because she is actually a size small. I'm like a size large. So if you wanted to ever send me anything, size large, the bigger the better. Thanks. thank you to Babe for sending these to me. That's really thoughtful. I'm shocked you thought I was cool enough to do this. I'm gonna be honest with you, don't really like red wine. Oh, a little bit because I don't like red wine lips. Do you know what I mean? Like with the teeth thing. And also because it just kind of tastes like a butthole. But I am excited for this Grigio and the Rosé. So I'm not gonna drink all of them today because it's work week. But maybe for New Year's I'll try them. Cool. Thanks, Babe. Shout out to Babe. I don't know how to do this. Fuck. Thanks for watching. Wow, a V-neck. Who is she? Oh my god, my nails? And the Babe? Oh my god. We're here for it. I'm